This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Milwaukee in a terrific location, just a short walk from Marquette University, looking out at a dramatic expressway interchange and a view that's just going to be dazzling at night and when the sun shines. I'm at 735 West, a completely made-over adaptive reuse of the upper floors of a Wells Fargo bank building. Commercial use results in high ceilings that soar up to about 12 feet, I'm guessing. You have that great honeycomb ceiling, adds a lot of character to the space. In the living area, looking at wide plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. Very sleek, brand new kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package. It includes a refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. There's a pantry cabinet for additional storage. 2-burner electric cooktop and a combination microwave and convection oven. Cooks love the convection oven. You have great windows here that are going to flood the unit with a lot of light. Heading out toward the entryway, looking at a bedroom that has borrowed light, a wide closet. There's an additional nice-sized closet as you would have entered the unit. And then you're looking at a very stylish, brand new bath. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and again that plank flooring. You have a fresh, bright, very stylish kind of space with a lot of character. 735 West has a large, bright fitness room with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. There's also a nicely equipped laundry room. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.